Welcome back, everybody. It is the evening of October 13th, and I'm hunting the different woods. I've never archery hunted this woods before, but I got some trail camera intel that tells me that I need to be here. So this is where I am. It's kind of a drive from home, and of course tonight's the first night I'm not going with Kaylee. So I left her my tripod that I usually connect in the tree, and I brought my other one. Well, I got the tripod, but I don't have the ratchet strap that I need to ratchet strap to the tree. So not only do I not have the ratchet strap to ratchet strap it to the tree, I forgot my easy hanger. So I got my bow sitting right here with me, and I have nowhere to hang it. So your video is gonna suck, because I'm not going to be able to use it. If I'm actually shooting something, I have a GoPro right here, so I might be able to GoPro it for you, but just me forgetting stuff. Seems like hardly ever can remember everything I need between all the camera stuff and all my hunting stuff. But Kaylee should have good video for you. She's got everything she needs. Got a perfect wind right in my face right here. I think all these deer are bedded right down to my right. It's a bunch of thorn apple, crabapple trees, and apple trees, and that's where they are. I'm gonna try to catch them coming through here up to this hardwoods up here on the hilltop. We'll see if it works out. Finally just saw the first deer of this evening's sit. A little spike came by at about 30 yards right here in front of me. So it is 6:12. Been pretty slow so far. I figured I'd see more movement by now with this cold front, but we'll see what else shows. Well, I think that's going to be a wrap on my hunt this evening. Ended up just seeing that one little spike. I've been talking back and forth with Kaylee. Sounds like she saw some doe so far, but haven't heard from her in 10 or 15 minutes, so maybe she saw more than that. I got word from my buddy that his son shot a deer tonight, a doe, with a bow, and it's his first time he's ever shot a deer with a bow, so his first deer, period, I believe. So when we get back to the house, I'm going to show you Kaylee's hunt right now. After Kaylee's hunt, we're going to get right on that trail, we're going to go help track that doe with Kaden, so we got a tracking job ahead of us tonight, so stay tuned.
So today is Saturday, October 13th, and I'm over here hunting out of the same tree stand I actually hunted out of with Cliff opening morning. We checked trail cameras this morning, and there's a lot more deer activity through here the past couple days than there has been. I don't know if it's due to the cold front that we've had, it's just changing all their patterns up or what, but we actually got pictures of one of the 8 points that I was targeting over in the other piece of property that we were hunting out of our climbers. So hopefully tonight we'll at least see some deer. It's been kind of rainy on and off all day, and the sun's actually come out now, so maybe that'll get them up on their feet. But hopefully tonight I can get my first deer with a bow, but I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens. We'll turn you back on when something comes out. Well, it's starting to get dark now. It's almost 7 o'clock, so I'm just gonna kind of wrap this up before it gets too dark. I ended up seeing what I think was 12 or 13 does altogether. No bucks, though, unfortunately. I definitely am open to shooting a doe down here. It's just the way these does were all filing out, I was really hoping that 8-point was going to be following up behind them. But unfortunately, that didn't happen tonight. It was kind of weird, though, tonight, the way these does were coming out. There's definitely a well-beaten path that we have through here for the gator to go check all of our cameras, and they didn't want to come past his stand directly down this trail. They were cutting me short up there a little bit and kind of skirting all the way around and then coming out over here and then skirting back through rather than just strictly walking down this trail. So I don't know if there's just something they don't like on it, a smell or what, but they kind of skirted that whole trail all the way around. I'm going to sit here just a little bit longer and see if anything comes out, but I wanted to wrap it up while I still had camera light. I'm definitely excited to get home and see if Clifford saw anything over on a piece of property he was hunting. He's after quite a nice buck out there, so we'll have to see what he says when he gets home. But we'll be out tomorrow after them, of course. It's Sunday, so we can still hunt here in New York. So we'll have to wait and see what tomorrow brings.
Okay, everybody, we got the tracking crew here. This is Kaden's first ever deer. First one he's ever, well, second one he's ever shot at with a bow. First one he's hit. The first one he got a sapling with tonight, but tell us the story, Kaden.
It walked in about 5 minutes after I missed the first one on the sapling. It walked in straight from down the hill, 5 yards from us. And I smoked it.
There we go. I like that story. That's how you say it right there. Well, we're going to go see what we can find here. Oh, look at the deer. It's a buck. Look at the buck. Where? You missed it. No.
You better put Kaden on the trail.
Where's first blood?
There's that arrow.
First blood, right the arrow.
It's actually stuck in the leaf that has the blood on it. This is where he hit her. Right in this vicinity.
Going which direction?
$10.
Very first spot of blood right there. Man, look at her leaking there.
Keep following it, bud.
This is my kind of blood trail right here.
Still on it, bud?
Yep. Kaden's on it. Where'd she go from there?
Kaden, what are you seeing?
Nice.
Kaden, shine your light on.
Right up here.
No,
Oh,
Kaden,
over there?
Shine your light. Oh, wow.
Holy cow!
Something chewed on her.
Oh, yeah.
Got to her already. I heard him yipping down here when
Yeah,
I was walking
I heard
down the
him
hill.
too.
They chewed her ass out too. Yeah. They got to her already.
Yep.
Hear him?
Found her.
I think that's those guys.
No, they were yipping right
I
here.
heard them earlier, yeah. Like
Coyotes are on her. Unbelievable. They ate her shoulder out.
Yeah, they ate her ass too. Look at that.
Did they really?
Yeah, yeah.
They were
That was
they were there
fast.
before you did. Look at that.
Man, we weren't even.
Look how fast that was.
Looks like up here in the
Yeah, this is nice.
Best one yet.
right on the trail.
Yeah.
I think that's the next one. That's where the coyotes tore her apart. Already? Right here. Yeah, the coyotes ate her already.
That was fast.
Did you hear him?
I heard him.
15 minutes ago.
Yeah, I heard him.
Yeah, look at that. They got after
Shoulder or
that.
butt?
Look at her rear end.
I've seen that around here.
Look at that. I haven't been
I've never
up
seen
here.
one get to one that fast.
Me neither. That
Heard
was
'em
that's an
yipping.
hour.
Yeah.
1 hour
I
there
heard
on.
something.
Upstate New York, it
Yeah, they were
happens all the
yipping right here.
time.
I didn't know what it was.
Yeah,
In
they
an
were yipping.
hour.
When I was walking down the hill, by
I've seen it
myself, they were
overnight
yipping right here, real
before,
quiet.
a bunch of
Never.
times. Never that quick.
Never when you're
And they didn't just get to her; they ate her.
Yeah.
She has no tail.
They ate her
Well,
tail
it's
right
up
up
there.
So they were on her when we rolled in.
Look at found it. Nice shot. Yeah.
The eyes of the killer.
Grab at the base of its ears. Don't grab it like a rabbit. Wrap your hand around the base of its ears.
Get dirty, bud.
Yeah, you're gonna get dirty, so you can just
Wait till we get the knife in.
Why don't you
man.
get behind it so you can
yeah, sit right up on.